Slicers out there, here's how you fix your slice. If you're taking your club back and you're chopping wood and you're coming across that line with an open face, that's what's going to cause a slice. The golf ball doesn't know what you're doing, doesn't know what maneuver you're making. All it knows is the club is moving to the left and the face is open to the right, and that's what's going to cause it to slice. So here's an excellent drill that you can use your saber to help you to stop slicing it. It's called the left arm fold drill, or thumbs up. So what you're going to do in the backswing is go ahead and set your wrists back here, make sure your thumbs are up, make sure that saber is straight up in the air with the blue stripe facing you. When you go to the other side, what you're going to do is use your lead arm to fold and put it in this thumbs up position. Because what happens with most slicers is as you come in through impact, the club is coming across and you start to get the dreaded chicken wing effect where that left arm starts to bow out this way. That's going to leave that face open and you'll see the black side of the saber as you go through impact. So what you're going to do is take your lead arm, thumbs up, and you're going to see that blue stripe pointed right back to you, and you're going to create this L shape. When you've done that through impact, that's going to eliminate your slice. You're still going to have to work on a little bit of your path, but the second that you see that ball come off the face and it goes straight or left, now you know you're on the right track. So hopefully this thumbs up, left arm fold exercise is really going to help you to eliminate your slice.